Hi, you guys. Welcome to the party. My name is Sarah Brown. I'm a Blue Status presenter with Unique, as well as the creator of Look Classy, Not Trashy. So, a few things about me. I am a registered nurse. I work in surgery, and I have 5 amazing children. 3 of them are girls. So, part of the reason why I started this company is because I realized I really needed to figure out how to wear makeup so I could teach my daughters so that they would look classy and not trashy. So, this party runs for 10 days. I am very excited to spend the next 10 days with you. You guys have absolutely no commitment here. You don't have to go to anyone's house. Everything is online, so it is browse at your own leisure. Look at these posts, look at the videos. Everything is done on your own time, hopefully in your pajamas with a great cocktail. But there is no pressure for you to be anywhere at any time. This party runs for 10 days. Your hostess will have a link pinned to the top of this page, and you are free to go there and order anytime you would like. As much as I would love to show you all of our great products, we simply don't have the time. You guys would hate me because it would be a bazillion posts over the next 10 days. So if you would like to see all of our products, you can go ahead and click on that link, click on shop, and it will take you to all of the different products that we have. If you have any questions at any time about any of the products that I'm either highlighting or the products that I'm not that are in the catalog, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me. That's why I am here, to answer your questions and help you guys with this. I am also available if you guys have questions as far as what color foundation, or if you want some color suggestions for eyeshadows or blushes or lipsticks. Please let me know. That's the other reason why I'm here, is to help you guys with that. So that link is open for the next 10 days. Every single order that you guys place will help your hostess earn party points, which gives her free stuff. So if you guys are nervous, which is understandable because not many people want to purchase products that they can't see, that they can't feel, that they can't test, we have a love it guarantee. So you can try these products for a full 2 weeks. And if you do not love it for any reason whatsoever, you can get a full refund. And that's the other reason I'm here. And I actually encourage you, if you do order something that you don't like, please, please, please reach out to me and let me know, because the last thing I want is for you to have products that you do not love. So I will help you with the customer service, and I will help get that taken care of for you. So there is no risk, you guys, absolutely none. And you have a full 90 days to try the stuff and exchange it for other products if you don't love that product in the 90 days. So no risk whatsoever. All right, you guys, so I look forward to seeing you in the next 10 days. I typically will go live at least once or twice a week. I will invite you guys to that live. It's a great time to see our products in action. It's a great time to ask questions live, real time, and get those questions answered. So I will be available to you guys anytime you want. Just shoot me a message and I will get back to you. So I'm looking forward to the next 10 days. So thank you, and I will talk to you guys soon.